I see the beach down there. Wow. I don't know how far I'm gonna make it. I thought it was gonna be like this. Crazy. Oh, God. This is what I came for. I'm probably not going to go much farther because this is pretty steep but look at this place. The whale's head might be that one right there behind the tree. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna enjoy it for a few minutes now. Okay, Whale's Head Beach, I believe, or it's Whale's Head Viewpoint, and it's Tuesday, and I'm still in Oregon, but I'm on my way to California. Going home, baby.